Hi, Ike here again. This is a thing that you put in your dashboard receiver thing for your French fries or other stuff. Now, if anybody's laughing, stop laughing right now, because I'm Mike. This is the thing. Believes that this is very cool. I definitely could use this because I've had my share of fries. Yes, I am Mr. Supersize. And anyhow, that's what that does. You know, if it's in the receiver port for your cups or whatever in your car, it's for fries and things. Isn't that funny? Isn't that great? I love it. Ike's got to have it. Fries and things.